In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Facebook most recent shortcut bar 5 minutes. If you've ever felt like your Facebook feed shows the same old highlights instead of what's happening right now, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll set up your shortcut bar so the most recent view is just a click away, along with any other places you visit often. This is a desktop guide, and while Facebook's layout can change from time to time, the flow is the same. Open Facebook, find your shortcuts, edit them, and save. Start by opening your browser and going to facebook.com. Sign in if you're not already, and make sure you're on the homepage where you can see the main feed and the left sidebar. If the interface looks different from what you expect, give the page a quick refresh and maximize the window so the sidebar is fully visible. Look to the left sidebar for the section labeled Shortcuts. This is the area that lists your favorite links like groups, pages, saved items, and the most recent feed. If you don't immediately see Shortcuts, scroll a bit or select Home to ensure you're on the main screen. Click the Shortcuts area so it expands and shows you more options. Next, find and click Edit. Depending on your layout, Edit may appear as a link near the Shortcuts heading or under a three-dot menu. Clicking Edit opens the management panel where you control which items appear in the Shortcuts bar and how they're ordered. Inside the editor, choose what you want to see at a glance. To prioritize the most recent view, locate it and set it to show in your shortcuts. If there's a toggle or a pin option, turn it on. If dragging is available, move most recent toward the top so it's easy to access. This view shows posts in chronological order, which is perfect when you want timely updates from friends, groups, or pages without the algorithm reordering things. While you're here, you can also pin other frequently used destinations, hide items you never use, and trim the list so it stays clean and fast to navigate. When you're done customizing, click Save. Some versions of Facebook save automatically, but if you see a Save button, use it to confirm your changes. After saving, return to your home page and check the left sidebar. You should now see the most recent link right in your shortcuts. Click it to confirm it opens the chronological feed. That's it, you've streamlined your Facebook experience. If your needs change, come back to shortcuts, hit edit, adjust the list and save again. Enjoy a faster, more relevant feed in just a few clicks.